Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about a product that I bought recently that has changed my life forever. A pull-up bar. A pull-up bar is a simple but effective device that can help you do calisthenics and exercise at home. It is a great way to improve your strength, endurance, and flexibility. Calisthenics is a form of physical training that uses your own body weight as a resistance. You can do various exercises such as pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, push-ups, and more. These exercises works multiple muscle groups and joints, enhancing your overall fitness and health. They also improve your posture, balance, and coordination. That's why I decided to buy a pull-up bar for myself. I bought it for only 577 pesos or $10.56, as I used vouchers and discount codes. Materials look heavy-duty too. I asked my brother to help me install it. I'm very happy and satisfied with my purchase, and I use it every day. I highly recommend it.